I wanted to bring something fresh and new, taking something from the past, putting a new twist on it, but still keeping the traditional techniques alive. Bovamp actually started with furniture and distressing furniture, painting furniture, and then realised after my first child came along that I couldn't work outside stripping down the furniture with young children. So I looked for something else and found a lamp one day in a vintage store and thought, great, I'll have a go with the lamp. And it came with a vintage traditional lampshade as well. So yeah, I thought this is great. I can start and, I can revamp this in the home and be warm and look after Connor, who was very young at the time. I spent a lot of time researching how to sew traditional shades using old techniques and which fabrics to use and how to marry them with nice lampstand shapes. So that's where it all began, and I decided that I'd like to draw my own frame shapes and take it from there really influenced by the Tiffany lampshades, the glass Tiffany lampshades and their shape, and also French ruching and the nice ruched lampshades that had fringes. So I took inspiration from the Victorian period, Art Deco era, and designed some frames based on styles from the past. I really wanted to keep the traditional techniques alive for lampshade making in particular, because there's not many people around anymore that are making these lampshades. So I think it's really important. It's a great skill. It means the lampshades are really well made. There's a lot of time, detail put into the lampshades that will then give them longevity for generations to come and enjoy them. About 16 years ago, there was nothing on the market really that I could find in terms of instructions or books on how to make traditional lampshades. So I really had to delve deep and try and find something that was out there. So it was a matter of looking in the libraries, looking at old books, and also anything that I could find on the internet, doing Google searches, and also lots of pictures and taking information and looking at techniques from photographs really. So it's been quite a long process, a self-taught process. I think it's nice to be able to pass those on now to other people, and it's something that's handmade and made really well and has had time put into it with the techniques that we use, which just come out in the quality of the product, and then hopefully they last for generations to come.